Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to archive emails on Yahoo Mail using the Yahoo mobile application on your Android or iOS device. Archiving is a great way to declutter your inbox while keeping important messages searchable. If you want to archive an email on Yahoo Mail, open up the Yahoo Mail application on your device like you normally do and sign into your account. Once you are signed into the account, go ahead and locate the email you want to archive. For example, I want to archive this email over here. Go ahead and tap on the email to open it up, and then from the email thread, go to the bottom right corner and tap on More. In the pop-up, click on Archive. Soon after you do that, you will be able to archive the mail from your inbox. After archiving the message, this will be removed out of your inbox into the archive folder. To view your archived folder, click on the Inbox drop-down at the bottom left and click on Archive. You will then be able to see the archived email in the list. So that is how you can easily archive an email on Yahoo Mail application. Archiving helps keep your inbox tidy without deleting important messages permanently. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.